How do you catch a squirrel? Climb a tree and act like a nut. Mispronunciations for today.
Okay.
Chronological.
Nope.
Chronological.
No.
Chronological.
Yeah.
Chronological.
Yep.
Chronological.
Lovely. Next.
Debris.
No.
Debris.
Nope.
Debris.
Yep.
Debris.
Oh yes.
Debris.
Wonderful. Next.
Ecstasy.
No way.
Ecstasy.
No.
Ecstasy.
Yes.
Ecstasy.
Cool.
Ecstasy.
Amazing. Next.
Forte.
Nope.
Fort.
No.
Forte.
Good.
Forte.
Yep.
Forte.
Good job. Next.
Gauge.
Nada.
Gauge.
No.
Gauge.
Yes.
Gauge.
Lovely.
Gauge.
Mm.
Synonyms of
Synonym.
the day.
Wow. Let's bounce.
Linger. Loiter. Meager. Sparse. Radiant. Luminous. Mourn. Lament. Provoke. Instigate. Antonyms for daily use.
Are you ready?
Charming. Repulsive. Candid. Deceptive. Bright. Dismal. Determined. Indecisive. Evaporate. Condense. Homophones for today.
Let's do this.
Time. Time. Sigh. Sigh. Lewd. Lewd. Lane. Lane. Kernel. Kernel. Vocabulary for today.
Let's go.
Zenith, the highest point or culmination. Tactile, relating to the sense of touch. Lethargic, lacking energy or enthusiasm. Quixotic, idealistic but impractical. Verbose, using more words than necessary. Idioms for daily use.
Let's do this.
A penny for your thoughts. Asking someone what they are thinking, come rain or shine, regardless of the circumstances or weather conditions. Down to the wire, happening at the last possible moment. Every dog has its day. Everyone gets a chance or opportunity at some point. Get a kick out of, to find something amusing or entertaining. Guess the riddle.
Riddle for fun. Let's go.
The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? If you know the answer, let us know down in the comments and let's have some fun there. Until next time, see you, goodbye.